Good morning, Palmer family. It's the world's most loved mama, Mama Tisha. That's what my sons call me. So, Mom, it is.
That's right.
So today we are having some delicious crunch out loud, hot bonchon, hot bonchon. Yeah. So, without further ado, we're doing bonchon tonight, guys, and I don't know, Chris was the first one to bring it to my attention, and I absolutely loved it afterwards. But it's just so fattening, but I love it.
Yeah.
I have a sweetness for that sweetness.
Yeah.
Well, a weakness for the sweetness. Yeah. So we're gonna say a prayer and we're gonna dig in. Heavenly Father, I thank you for this food that we're about to receive. I ask that it provides the proper nutrients that our body needs. In Jesus' name, we say thank you. Amen.
Amen.
So what flavors do we have today, son?
We have spicy Korean barbecue and soy garlic.
Soy garlic. Woo! What are these called right here?
Pickled radish.
Yeah. Oh God, they smell so bad, but they taste so good. They do. I'm not lying. And whatever sauce they put it in, I don't know. It's just good. It's supposed to enhance the flavor of the chicken, but I love it by itself. It tastes like coleslaw.
Pretty much.
It does. Well, to me, it tastes like coleslaw.
Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Like I said, it stinks, but it's so delicious. Really, you gonna count out?
Yep.
You get your fair share, son.
Yeah. I got more flats than anything, but it's alright.
Why you still on the flats? I like flats too.
I wasn't trying to. I wanted to get some drumsticks, but they barely playing their drums in here. Hold that.
You gotta trust me. Let's put in more flats. I'm okay, guys. I'm okay.
Because I'm a drum kind of person. So, we also got some lemonade from KFC.
Yeah. Of course, we had to make 2 stops because my Mr. Picky Malachi, he don't eat any and everything.
Mm-hmm.
If the color's not right and it don't smell right, he won't eat it.
Drink.
Yeah. Yeah. So we had to make 2 stops, y'all. 2 for $1.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. So one is soy garlic, and the other one is what?
Korean barbecue.
Okay.
What you think so far?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. I love it.
Yeah, what I love about this is that they double fry.
We went to what? 2 stores, 3 stores, and it's still crispy. Oh, it's good. I heard that crunch. It still have a little net to here. Opening up that door, that's fine. He almost got 8, y'all.
Good.
It's looks okay. The Korean barbecue.
Oh,
Well, it's not bad. That's okay.
I thought you were about to diss Bonchon and say, dang.
No, I love the what is that? The garlic.
So garlic.
Soy garlic. But this flavor, it's okay. It's still on top of it.
I think my favorite one, or my favorite sauce that they had ever made, was Thai chili. That was good.
See, I didn't try that.
Yeah.
I did.
You probably don't remember it.
Yeah, it's been a while.
That was a few years ago.
It's been that long since we had it.
They probably still do it.
Oh, you just didn't fix it. Okay.
Korean fried chicken. Yeah, also so the drumsticks, those are really good. And they're huge too, like they're like this big. We're going to do a mukbang on those too one time.
I'm kind of scared to eat them.
Why?
Because they look like they are genetically enhanced.
It might be. Or just smell good. They're that big. I'm telling you.
No, them no.
I was say, if you scared to eat those, why you eat these?
But these,
These might be the same chicken.
no, it's not. They little.
These probably the fingers. The fingers and arms.
Wings.
Yeah. And the drumstick, the legs. And these chicken good.
No wonder it's a wing short. Well, it was a wing short. We eat a lot of wings. A lot of wings.
Yeah. These poor chickens can't keep up.
You have to breed them, be so many. So many. So what they said about the lab raised food? I heard somebody saying something about that.
I've heard of lab grown meat.
Yeah, supplement.
I ain't doing that, man.
They're using us as test guinea pigs, y'all. No, let me stop.
It might be, we don't know.
Well, don't quote me on my sources, but I heard that they're supposed to be putting lab-grown meats in stores.
Either way, I ain't doing that, man.
I didn't do the research, but that's what I heard, y'all.
Get my face.
And they get in here, but
I'm gonna open the door.
we got this radish over here, so they looking for the party. You ever seen a net trying to fight you over peanut butter jelly sandwich? I don't know what's in the peanut butter jelly, but them nets are going crazy.
I can track it.
They run up on you.
No.
So disrespectful.
Right. We all up again, start spraying to that grass.
It's a time minute where you just got a grass cut too.
Yeah.
Something has a little kick to it.
No, some of these sauces be having too much kick.
It's a little spicy. I heard food with my vegetable.
Yeah, we gonna have to make that special concoction.
It didn't work.
That's how I ate Jack.
We need to have
Like, darn, this is turkey.
them little zapples.
I didn't mean like them strips that they hang
Yeah,
on
you
the
put on the
wall.
wall. All of a sudden here, we got them at work.
Those do.
Some of them be so loud, you jump like, what was that? Yeah, but I think they after that the radish.
Yeah, that radish stink, but
It sure tastes good. That it do
you can either get that or coleslaw.
but it tastes the same to me.
Pretty much.
Now this, I gotta find out what type of sauce it is. I would eat this type of radish. Wonder how healthy it is. Wow. We get this baby chill with that right type of sauce. Oh, that's definitely good snacking right there.
Good snacking, good eating.
I wonder, is it from y'all? Like the water, like a cucumber has water in it? I wonder, do radishes have? I don't know, y'all, I just taste good. So what do y'all think? Y'all tell me, do radishes have water? Like, would it be known for like the cucumber? I don't know. Leave a comment and let us know. What do you think? It's a part of the vegetable that has water in it. Like collard greens and cabbage will have water. But what is it? Mustard? No, not mustard. Kale may not have water in it.
There we go. I already finished 10. I'm about to do my 15. Get your body count up.
Ain't it? Whoopsie. Well, might as well move it. See. Bonchon. Bonchon. Oh no, I didn't say it wrong. See, we had it going in the car, y'all, on the way there. I was in there. Bonchon.
She was hyped.
Bonchon. I was in it. So it's way deep down in my soul, y'all. Yeah.
Out of the two, which one you like?
Just soy garlic. That's my favorite.
Oh no, I don't know one more too.
Not to say that the Korean barbecue isn't. Well, could be somebody else's favorite part. It's just the soy garlic is.
Yeah, the soy garlic is
Yeah.
different.
It's the right kind of mixer. You know what we do?
What?
A thumbnail. This one ugly. I don't like when they look like that. Try it anyway.
Dude, give me.
Yeah. That's
As
what I
you can
thought.
see, bodies.
This piece
Body
is extra hard. Oh.
Get your body count up. Do we gotta do YouTube challenges? Make sure you get your body count up, huh?
Oh, I'm gonna lose.
Of course.
But wait a minute, y'all.
I'm gonna be the winner every time.
I had my ideal weight right. And it's hard to maintain. So, I don't want to overdo it.
And always you making me fat while you get slim.
You made the choice to make your own self fat.
Ain't nobody said get all these wings.
I didn't tell you to eat them all either. Do it like I do. Eat some now and eat some later. If you eat it all up now, then when you have it later?
Nothing.
You go eat some more.
I'm gonna drink me my lemonade. That's what I'm gonna drink. But I don't know what to eat. Whoops, time to drink some lemonade.
You better eat that radish.
Eat.
Put it in the refrigerator. I will eat it. That's a nice, cool summer treat, y'all.
Yeah. But no, it's actually all okay. It's just I would prefer coleslaw. I ain't gonna lie.
It tastes like coleslaw. What do you think, guys? The fresh radish, go to Bonchon. Of course, get the chicken. Try that radish and tell me, do it not taste like coleslaw?
Get the radish and the coleslaw.
Or my taste buds are just off.
Let me see. Let me see.
I know my taste buds are not that off. I know it stink on it. But it tastes so good.
That's exactly why I don't like it. Stink. It stink. It smell like onions.
No, it don't. You just can't describe what that smell like.
Yeah, I can't really describe it. it don't even smell like onions, actually. Can you taste?
Smell like an old boot. But it's good, I promise y'all. It is good.
It does have a coleslaw taste to it.
Yeah. So get the coleslaw and get some radish and try them.
Yeah, but see, it's like, it has that taste, but it's also a slight deviation.
And the crunch is also amazing.
That's alright.
My taste
I prefer
buds.
coleslaw.
My taste bud says fiesta, fiesta.
My nose says pee.
Fiesta, fiesta. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you say.
I don't got a contact from you.
You probably did.
Jeez.
Just by smelling it, really.
But you know, back to what I was saying, how I'm maintaining it. So I was saying the body sculpting thing, and I'm starting to do wood therapy on myself, y'all.
Wood therapy.
Wood therapy.
I will say it feels very good. Very good.
Eat it, we test you. So I'm ordering the pieces for the face therapy as well. And you want to do it before and after?
Sure.
So like, you know, get the before of us, and then after. Well, they said 6 treatments of it. Giving it to yourself. Ooh, I'm sweating. 6 treatments of it. But the more I research it, they said the better. I mean, the more you do it, the better the
The results.
Yeah. So it's something that you have to keep on doing.
Okay.
And just take, 30 minutes at a time? Or longer if you have time to go a little longer. And you ain't gotta go hard and all that stuff. Just get the items and redo your body. And I tell you, for the very first day that I did my legs, y'all, and that blood circulation started circulating and all that stuff, I felt like I had new legs, y'all. No lie, I felt like I had new legs, new back. I see my waist coming in.
Okay.
And everything. It's nice.
Alright.
But I still got a few more. So I guess I'm gonna do it for, I don't know, you wanna try it for a month?
Sure, we can.
And do the before and after? Yeah. So,
Hey, anytime I can get a free massage, it's good enough for me.
yeah.
Well, it's not exactly free because I also gotta do her back.
I can't get my love handles too good, y'all. Cause I'm doing it on myself, but I'm telling you, no lie, y'all. The first day that I did my leg, and I did it before I went to work. And there we do walking. It's not a whole like extreme lot of walking, but with me just walking, and the way that my legs, I felt like I had new legs.
When she massaged my legs, I definitely felt like I had new legs.
Well, that and I guess it would be considered a massage.
Cause like,
Even though you're sculpting.
yeah, cause like the thing about it is like my legs are like kind of sensitive,
And
so it hurt like at like certain times, but like afterward when it was given the time to rest, it felt good afterwards.
no, I felt a difference like immediately when I started walking.
Yeah, like
I felt it.
it's like after that first time you had did my legs, and I've had the chance like to get up and walk around. I was like, ooh. Felt like I had some new legs. Then she had did my back one time. I felt like I had a new back.
Yeah, because you pretty much circulating your body, draining it from excessive water, which we all have, whether you're big or small, we all have it. And it tightens your skin and it causes your cellulite to basically disappear. Yeah. Well, of course, they still tell you to, drink plenty of water. You have to drink plenty of water. And it says eat well, not a diet, but just be mindful of what you eat. Less sugar. So try to go without sodas. Maybe try for a month. No sodas, no sugars. Very limited carbs. Or do the intermittent fasting where you don't eat for so many hours of the day and then you eat something.
I do that sometimes.
Yeah. And that helps too.
I'll do nothing but drink water, which please do because it circulates the system.
Yeah, flush out the old
Flush
toxins.
out the kidneys.
Everything. Flush his toxins out of your body.
And plus, you'll get to a point where you wouldn't even have to flush the toilet.
You know what? It will give you clear skin.
And I'm telling you, every time you feel like, be like, oh yeah, got that stride, because like, yeah, my system clean. It's clean. It's super, super clean. But I'll say this, drink a lot of water, dude.
Yeah, especially if you're gonna do this.
And especially since it's hot out, because it is too hot for you to not be drinking water, because...
We should be drinking water anyway, but...
Yeah, but it's still...
A lot of it.
It's too hot for you to only be drinking sodas and juice. Like, you're not doing yourself a favor. You're wondering why your head hurts. You think you're sick. No, you're dehydrated. Please, get some water. Please. You use the bathroom and it's brown.
Oh, goodness. That means
It's
like
dark brown. You
extremely dehydrated.
Yeah.
And you need some liquids.
Yeah, people
water.
be thinking that mess normal. Like, ma'am, you are dehydrated.
Yeah, severely dehydrated.
Like, sir, like, you need to get some water. Please, drink water. You wondering why you grumpy, why your hair hurt? It's because for whatever reason you decided you was gonna do your day with.
Yeah, that's another big ugly one. You want this one?
No, I'm good.
It's ugly. I'm sorry, y'all.
Chicken is chicken. She be acting scared.
No, it looked deformed. I'm sorry. He had that little hand.
Take a strong hand.
No! Give me your hand. I'm sorry, y'all.
Got a nerve to talk about food. Food's food.
Not that. You gonna eat that.
That is some box hand. Poor box they done cut it.
You didn't want it. You know I ain't gonna eat it.
So I ain't want it because I'm full. I'm trying to protect my love handle. I don't need my legs to get any bigger. Over here looking like I got a badonkadonk.
By the time I finish scoffing you, you will. I'm joking, y'all. I'm joking. Chris will have a dump. He got a dump.
No,
Shake some, shake some. You know.
They start playing the twerk music.
What was my song? Booty me down. Hey, booty me down. Shake some, girl. No. That was funny though.
Yeah,
But no, man. What was it? Keep on trying to get to you and that booty.
Why'd you do it?
That was the other one. Is right.
I was too young for this, so I'm not too versed. Yeah. I didn't know what they were talking about. I was just vibing.
How the hook go? I can't think of it.
Like Michael Jackson's Rock My World.
On the tip of my tongue.
I was an idiot. I told someone that. Think it was an insult. I still think about that mess to this day. I was like, I really told someone I loved them. Think it was an insult. I was upset. I just knew they thought I was slow.
Your emotions just everywhere.
Yeah. Cause we were arguing. I was trying to win, and I made myself look like the idiot. I knew they thought I was slow. It's like, look at this slow boy. I did act slow sometimes, like, oh, a few too many times to count. I remember one time I had bit somebody in elementary school reenacting the scene from Madagascar.
You know what? That ain't fun. I got bit for real fight.
But I didn't like bite down. I just like literally the scene from Madagascar where he bit Marty and everybody was looking at him like, what the world? That's how everybody was looking at me. Even the teacher was like, what the world?
The girl was fighting her head on the headlock. And she bit me to get off her. Get me off of her.
That would have been the day I jumped on her.
And I reached there and I bit her back and she let me go.
You go low, I go lower.
I bit your daddy too.
You also throw a tire at him.
We were fighting. What did you just try to get upset with me and try to blacken my eye? Because I don't want to listen? No. Get mad and slap the taste off my face and I slapped him back. And he looked at me like I was crazy. I didn't know it then, but that was domestic violence, y'all.
It was on both sides because she was whooping his tail.
And he was right in the midst of it.
I remember.
And it was just normal to him. He was still sitting at the table, eating your breakfast and watching cartoons.
Yeah, I remember some of the times. Like I remember I had to spray him with the air freshener.
Yeah, we were fighting. I mean, like falling on the ground, rolling everything, all on my dad's furniture and everything. And I feel this warm, well, it wasn't warm, it was a cold sensation on the back of my leg. He turned around with the air freshener like this, spraying us with the air freshener.
Hey, I was watching SpongeBob.
Got our attention. He gonna look at us like trying to watch here. And turn right back around and
y'all have the whole Mortal Kombat fight.
Like literally.
I was trying to watch some SpongeBob.
I grabbed him, get over here. No. But no,
there's some fatalities on that man.
Excuse me.
That's why that man's scared of you now.
That's what I know. It was bad then when it was normal to him to see us fighting like we were two people that didn't know each other out on the street.
Like
it was his normal.
Like
I knew I had to go there.
Yeah, like it's funny, but it's not funny. Like domestic violence is some serious.
And it's real.
Yeah, and if you can, please leave.
Well, all right, everyone. That's gonna be the end of the video.
Yes.
So with that being said,
Subscribe and share. Like,
yeah.
subscribe and share. Yeah.
Bonchon.
Hey, loose.
Bonchon. No, this is not. The hood just came out me. No, but that's gonna be the end of it. Hey, Suge. Hey, honey. Hey, Samaj. Doop doop. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.
Bye.